believe that winning a medal is just a push to my passion, my hard work and my faith and my hunger to win more, to achieve more.
Born in Jhajjar, Haryana, a state known for its boxers and wrestlers, Manu Bhaker impulsively decided to try her hand at shooting when she was just 14. Just after the 2016 Rio Olympics ended and her heart on it soon. Within a week, Manu asked her father to get her a sports shooting pistol to hone her craft. Her ever-supportive father, Ram Kishan Bhaker, fulfilled her wish and Manu's burgeoning talent soon manifested itself on the national stage within a year.
खेल में बहुत आगे रही, सब बच्चों को हरा देती, खेला करती है।
स्केटिंग भी करना है मुझे, लॉन टेनिस भी खेलना है मुझे, बैडमिंटन भी खेलना है मुझे, टेबल टेनिस भी खेलना है, बॉक्सिंग करना है, जूडो कराटे करने हैं। पापा बोले बेटा एक बार शूटिंग रेंज देख लो अपने स्कूल में। तो वहाँ पे जो कोच थे बोले कि बेटा करो ट्राई। तो मनु ने जो पहला शॉट छोड़ा तो अच्छा उसमें गया वो। खुश हो गई मनु की मुझे शूटिंग मैं पापा मेरी गन मंगवा दो, मुझे अब शूटिंग करनी है, मुझे प्रैक्टिस करनी है बस अब। फिर वो इसके लिए गन मंगवाई, इसने फिर अपना पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा।
At 2017 National Shooting Championship, Manu stunned Olympian and former world number 1 Hina Sidhu, shooting a new record score of 242.3, incidentally breaking Sidhu's record to beat her in the 10-meter air pistol final. She went on to become the youngest Indian gold medalist at the 2018 International Shooting Sports Federation held in Mexico. The same year also saw her making her maiden appearance at the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, where she shot a CWG record score of 240.9 points to win a gold medal in the women's 10-meter air pistol event. The 2018 Commonwealth Games gold medal was followed by an Asian Games record score in the 25-meter pistol event, and the girl from Haryana's Goria village was suddenly all over the news as the nation prepared for the Tokyo Olympics.
I was really taken when I got to know that I was the youngest Indian to win a ISSF World Cup gold medal, and I was like overwhelmed. Now I'm in the top of Olympic podium scheme. The government has been very helping throughout my shooting years. Whenever we need any equipments or training purposes के लिए ammunition या फिर pistols or anything, everything is being settled by the government.
The proof of Manu Bhaker's phenomenal talent was on display in 2019 when, despite not being in top form, she managed to win a gold medal at the 14th Asian Championship as well as in the air pistol World Cup final in Puxian in China. The icing on the cake was, however, qualifying for the Tokyo Olympics after finishing 4th at the ISSF Munich World Cup in May 2019.
Standing on that podium with a gold medal around your neck and watching my country's flag going high, for me that was a very, very special moment.
While training for Tokyo, she is working to ensure that there is no doubt about her winning the Olympic medals.
To win the Olympic gold medal, I've been working really hard for the past 5 years now, and it has always been my dream, and I literally live it every day. The day starts with the yoga, followed by the training sessions for at least around 5 to 6 hours a day. Then we have workout sessions, followed by the psychologist session.
She remains the brightest prospect for Indian shooting contingent at the Tokyo Olympics and would be eager to etch her name in history. Tapash Bhattacharya's report, DD India.
Big medal contender in shooting in Tokyo Olympics.